Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Sora tool for free without VPN, without watermark, and without invite. So stop wasting time with VPNs, invite code, waitlist, and annoying watermarks. This is the only tutorial you need to learn how you can use Sora tool for free. What you need to do first is just go to this page called sora2.cloud and sign up using your Gmail or other email account. And once you sign up, you will get 10 free credits because you need 10 credits if you want to generate a video in Sora. And in here, you can just write the prompt of the videos that you want to create and click on generate videos. Here is the example of the video that I generated before. As you guys can see, there is no watermark attached in here, and you can just click on download in here to see the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.